Best gaming PC build under 80,000 Indian rupees in 2025. For CPU, we've got the Ryzen 5 7600X, a beastly 6-core processor, perfect for gaming and productivity, paired with the MSI B650M gaming Wi-Fi motherboard, giving you AM5 future-proofing and solid features. For graphics, the brand new RTX 5060, perfect for 1080p Ultra and even smooth 1440p gaming. Memory? 32 gigabytes DDR5, 6000 MHz RAM. Super fast, no compromise. Storage is handled by the 1TB Kingston NV3 NVMe SSD. Fast boot and plenty of space for your games. Powering it all is the reliable MSI A650BN PSU. And to keep temps in check, we're using the Deepcool AG620 cooler. Finally, everything sits inside the stylish Ant Esports Crystal Z2 cabinet with great airflow and looks. All of this for under 80,000 Indian rupees. An absolute value beast for gaming and multitasking in 2025.